on January 16th of 2023. This is a very exclusive club, I guess, as it were, but applications are due for the COVID-19 and Health Equity Awards. FDA is going to be making about $2 million of awards, but probably only about 4 total awards for about $500,000 each. This is for people who think they have something to contribute to health disparities or pursuing health equity, especially as it relates to COVID-19. And so get involved with that if you're looking for funding and you think that your technology or product might have something to do with that. Then on January 23rd and 24th, the Social Determinants of Health Summit. If you've been listening to this show recently, you know how much of a focus there's been in the medtech community on things that go beyond a single doctor-patient interface. What's happening with trends among demographics, in different parts of the country, even in different neighborhoods. And so the Social Determinants of Health Summit will be in San Diego, California, January 23rd and 24th. Then on January 31st, coming up, our friend Diane Bowie was on the show not too long ago, but applications are open for MedTech Innovator, also the BioTools Innovator and MedTech Innovator Asia Pacific. They are an accelerator that is, they're gigantic, frankly, and lots of resources there. If you're interested in that, in getting some support from MedTech Innovator, they are open. Their deadline is January 31st. And then coming up in January and February, our friends over at Fast Forward Medical Innovation at the University of Michigan Medical School are running Biomedical Innovation 101. They're going to be talking about intro to research commercialization, drug discovery, diagnostic technologies, digital health technologies, biomedical device development. Our own Adrian Harris will be part of that event on February 15th. And then next steps in commercialization resources. One of the things I love about Fast Forward and so many of our friends at these various universities throughout the state is they try to make these resources available to all of us. And that's the case here with these seminars coming up in January and February. And we were asked to please put this on the calendar. It's a whole year away, but November 14th through 16th, 2023, the Combination Product Summit is returning to Columbus, Ohio next year. That should be another great event. And October 8th through 10th, as we mentioned last week of 2023, the next installment of the Eye and the Chip 2023 is coming to the Southfield Westin Hotel. We had Dr. Hesberg on the show last week. What an amazing researcher, sort of following his nose beyond what he could have been turning the crank on into a world that is just starting to explode, this convergence of cognition and vision and sensors. We'll be hearing later in the show today from Dr. Philip Ola, our interview at MedHealth. His company, Audacia, is thinking about sensors in places like vehicles, and that really merges the world of transportation with the world of medtech, because frankly, you can't use a lot of that data unless you're thinking about medical device technologies. So it's a fascinating nexus. And we hope you can attend some of these events. We'll continue putting new events for 2023 on the calendar.